Good Monday morning. It is 4:45 and baby cat has showed up because I guess she wants to eat. I actually already have some chicken for her, but I need to undo it. Good morning. Good morning, baby cat. Now, I hope she goes in there without me having to take it out of the thing. I've been trying to figure out how to keep it waterproof because it's been storming. So I put it off in an old luggage thing. So let me see if she goes in there. It's okay. Well, that's a success. So then when she leaves, I can just close it up. I hope these things are waterproof. I remember packing my luggage in it and going through the rain and the stuff not getting wet. So I'm like, I guess it's waterproof. And that way it'll keep her house dry when she comes to eat and her food dry. Anyways, that's baby cat. It's Monday morning, 4:45. And we will see you guys later. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, see? I do that again. Did it again. Did you subscribe? Did you like? Send me a comment. Just to say, what's up, baby cat? Show some love. Show a little love, baby cat. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye. You see that chicken? A whole rotisserie. Whole rotisserie. So I'll let her eat. Y'all have a good one.